Hi, grade sevens. We're back onto YouTube. We're looking today at dividing decimals. The date would be for the 25th of June, and we are on page 20. Okay, so number one says, calculate the following using a number line. So we've got a number line, and we've got 0, well, at first nothing. So it says 0,6 divide by 2. All right. So the way to show this on a number line, you say it's between 0 and 1. Okay, and we're going to do all the in-between parts. So there's going to be 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So our numbers are going to be 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, and 0, 9. Okay. Now it says 0, 6 divide by 2. So 0, 6 divide by 2. So let's take that and do this. So if I divided by 1, it would be the whole part, 0, 6. But now they're saying divide this by 2. So let's cut this in half. So we go, there's 6 of them, so we go 3 and 3. So 0, 6 divided by 2 would give me 0, 3. Okay. So not only must you work it out, you need to show it on the number line. Guys, this is as important as that. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. So your next one would say 0, 9. I'm going to give you another one. So now I say 0, 8 divide by 2. Okay, equals. Number line. Number line must go between 0 and 1 because 0, 8 lies between these two whole numbers. So here's 0, 5. These are all the numbers. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9. Okay, now it says to you 0, 8 divide by 4. I take the 0, 8 and I go backwards. So in 1, that's what's going to happen. Now, if I divide, sorry guys, divide by 2. So if I divide by 2 and I break it in half, this red thing, I'll say, okay, let's do this in half. So there and there. Then we stop at 0, 4, and my answer would be 0, 4. But I need to see this and I need to see that. Right, now, if we go to the next page, page 21, it's the same thing. And then page 22. Page 22, number 2, says revision, round off all of these answers, guys, to the closest whole number. So you take all your answers and you round them off to the closest whole number. Right, the next part of this says calculate the following. So you've got 0, 25 divide by 5. Guys, when you do the sum, use the whole numbers again. So literally say 25 divide by 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So if I've got a 5 here as an answer, how many numbers after the comma? 2. So 0, 0,05. So that is what this is equal to. 0,05. Why? Because I've got 2 numbers after the comma. Okay, I'm going to show you another one of these. So if I've got 121 divide by 11. When I've got something like this, I say, all I do, and that's 1,21 divide by 11. I say 121 divide by 11, like a normal sum. 11 goes into 12 once, and there's 1 remaining. 11 into 11 goes once. So the answer here is going to be equal to 11, but that looks awful. But let's have a look and see how many digits after a comma. None here, but here there's 1, 2. So 1, 2, 0, comma 1, 1. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Let's go, please, to page, let's just see, 21, and we are now on page 23. Now, on page 23, it says to us, guys, you need to do the problem, the word problems. Okay, so the first word problem says, I have 45 Rand 75. So 45 Rand 75. Okay. And I have to divide it by 5. What will my answer be? Guys, it is a simple division sum like you've always done since grade 3. So you say 4575 divide by 5. Forget about the comma. 5 into 4 can't. 5 into 45 goes 8 times. No, sorry, 9. Okay, so 9 times. And that's 45. So we leave it as such. 5 into 7 goes once, which is 5, remainder 2. 5 into 25, 5 times. So my answer is 915. But now put in the commas. There's nothing after a comma there. Here's 2 digits after the comma. So 1, 2. My answer is 9,15. Right. I'm going to do another one. No, I'm going to leave it at that. The rest of the word problems go all the way to the bottom of the page, and there is a table for you to complete. Then, if you have a look at the spider sums, guys, you've been doing these since grade 1 probably. All you've got to do is complete the spider sum. So if you look at that, it's flow diagrams, but we're starting with spider sums. So the first part of that should say, if this is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, this says, that's A, this one is B, and it says B is equal to A times 2. Literally, you're just going to put A into the sum, and that's what we do, we substitute. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 6 times 2, 12. 8 times 2, 16. 10 times 2, 20. And we're done. Okay, you're going to complete those 3 as well, those 3 pages. If you get something, let me just look here. Right at the end, it says complete the spider diagram. But now you've got to find the rule. So if I give you something and I say to you guys, I'm giving you the numbers, you tell me what happened to it. So I say to you, here's the sum. There is another. This is X, and that is Y. This one's got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This one's got, say, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Right, what is here? So I want to know what is the rule. All I need to do is see, how did I get Y? Y is equal to X to get to 9 plus 6. X plus 6 gives me 9. Does that work for the next one? 4 plus 6 is 10, yes. 5 plus 6 is 11, yes. 6 plus 6, 12, 7 plus 6, 13. And we know that that works. Right, signing off now, guys. I'll chat to you in class.